Hello and welcome everyone. Yes, what do we have in this mixture, in this very batter? This is a bread batter, and absolutely this bread have no sugar added and no flour added. Yes, it is very soft, moisturizing and tastes incredible. This is my healthy oat bread made with simple ingredients and finished with some dry raspberry, raisins, and some almond flakes. Yes, this very bread is very good. No guilt, no spike, just very clean and with energy. If you are trying to eat better without giving up on bread, yeah, this recipe is for you. Let me show you how this bread looks like after you have cut it. Check it out. Check out the inside. It looks so very soft, moistured in the inside and very crispy on the outside. I know you will be interested to know how we make this very bread. That's why you are still here. So just join me. Let's enter into the kitchen. Welcome everyone. This is Kele Kitchen. Thank you for joining us. This is no flour, no sugar, oat bread, or you can call it oat cake, whatever name you prefer. This bread is very good, and here are the simple ingredients that you will use to make this very healthy bread. So let's get started. So you will first of all blend your oats. So get your blender and blend your oats to powder. So when you are done, your oat flour should be very soft and easy to mix. Go ahead and blend all the oat flakes you have into powder. And once that is done, you go ahead and add all the dry ingredients. If today is your first time of stopping by in this channel, this is Kele Kitchen. A warm welcome to you. Feel free to like our video. Feel free to subscribe, share, and comment to our videos. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for joining us. You mean so much to us. Thank you so much. So after you have finished blending your flour, the oats, you go ahead, add your baking powder. So I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything very well and set it aside. So once that is done, you get your fruits. Now we have 1 carrot and 1 apple. So peel off the skin of 2 of them and then you wash it very clean and you grate it into smaller sizes. Also, feel free to adjust the fruits to any fruit of your choice. Yes. In today's video, our shout out goes to Home Cook Meal. Thank you so much for coming by to watch our video. And another shout out goes to Cap's Kitchen. Thank you very much. You mean so much to us. Yes. And another shout out goes to Steve. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. We love you. Please let us know where you're watching our video from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yes, as you can see here, we have finished grating the apple. Now you go ahead and grate also your carrots. Once that is done, you start to mix your wet ingredients. So in a clean bowl, you add your 3 eggs. After that, you add your milk. You can use any milk of your choice, almond milk or soya milk or ordinary milk. So after that, you go ahead and add your vanilla. After the vanilla, you add your olive oil. So when that is done, you go ahead and mix to combine all the wet ingredients together. So once all the ingredients are ready, it is time for you to combine everything together so that you can mix your batter. So now we go in with our raisins. After our raisins, we add our fruits, our carrots, our apple. Once that is done, you will go in, add your milk, add everything. So once that is done, you go ahead, mix all the ingredients together to get your batter. Form your batter. Make sure that the batter is very smooth. Mix it very well. But don't over mix. After that, I hope by now you are preheating your oven. If you are not, you can preheat your oven now. So once that is done, you get your bread pan. You first of all grease it. I have two ways of greasing. First one is I added some oil, and then I will go in ahead and add my parchment paper. This is the first method. Second method is also you can use your flour to dust on the pan. This is the second method. So any method that is easy for you, just go ahead and do that. So once that is done, your bread pan is ready. You don't need to wait much time again. Where is my batter? Then goes in the batter into your bread pan. Once that is done, it is time for you to bake. So this very bread, we'll be baking it 180 degrees for 40 minutes. So make sure you monitor your oven depending on the capacity of your oven. So go ahead, add your toppings. So here I added some raspberry fruit. I added also some dry peach and almond flakes. So any topping of your choice is good to go. So we now go to the oven. Time for baking. So we're gonna bake this for 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And before you know what is happening, here goes the alarm. The bread is ready. No sugar, no flour, oat bread is ready. Just insert your skewer, and once it comes out clean like this, then you know that the bread has baked very well. So allow the bread to cool. Once that is done, you go ahead and remove the bread from the pan. Let's check out the bread. It's looking so good, gold brown. I love this texture. Everything came out so good. Slice your bread and enjoy with your family. You can enjoy it with your warm tea, your chocolate tea, your coffee, or you can enjoy it with cold drink, your juice. Just check out the bread, how it looks. Very moist in the inside and very crusty on the outside. Looks so good. If you have a child that eats this no sugar, no flour bread, that child has done well. But if you don't have, just tell them next time you top it with some chocolate chips. So they're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching our video. This is how far we can go. We shall see you in our next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in our next video. Bye.